Imagine launching your own crypto token or NFT without writing a single line of code. Sounds like a scam? That's what I thought until I tried CoinSprint. CoinSprint is a no-code tool that lets you launch your own crypto assets, tokens, or NFTs in just 3 clicks. Yup, no coding, no crypto wallets, no tech headache. I literally selected a blockchain, typed my token name, clicked launch, and it deployed. The system even gives you a live preview and auto-marketing tools. Some users are reporting results like $5,000 plus in just a few days. While I didn't hit that number yet, I did get my token live in under 10 minutes. Plus, it supports Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, Solana, and more. Wild, right? What I loved? The AI assistant. It literally walks you through everything. What I didn't like? Some powerful features are locked behind upsells. But honestly, the base version works well. So, is CoinSprint worth it? If you want a fast, beginner-proof way to enter the crypto space without coding, it's a yes from me. Just don't expect to get rich overnight. But for $17, it's insane value. Want to see how I did it, step by step? Tap the link in bio and I'll show you everything.